Standard 7, Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Data Handling. Today's our topic is probability. What is probability? These words often come up in our daily life. We often say, there is no chance of raining today. But that is only our prediction. We are not sure. Maybe there is no chance of raining today, but there is also a chance of raining today. So for that event, we can say that can happen but not certain. Next, you are older today than yesterday. It's 100% sure that you are older today than yesterday. So for that, we can say that certain to happen because it's a sure. The sun coming up from the west. It is never possible that the sun coming up from the west. So for that we can say that it's impossible. A toss coin will land heads up. Maybe when we toss a coin, it will land heads up. But there is also a chance that the coin will land tail. So we are not sure for that. So we can say that can happen but not certain. Next, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Just think about it. A die has only the 6 side. There is no 8. So for that we can say that it's impossible. Next, the next traffic light sign will be green. Maybe the next traffic light sign will be green. But there is also a chance that it may be the red or yellow. So it's not sure. So for that we can say that can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Maybe tomorrow will be a cloudy day, but it's not sure. Maybe tomorrow will not be a cloudy day. It's not sure event. So for that we can say that can happen but not certain. Let's understand the probability with some more example. We will look at one interesting concept in this video, and that is a coin toss. Think about it. When you toss a coin, it will either head or tail. Either head or tail. These are the only two possibilities. Suppose I ask you a simple question. What is the probability of the coin landing a head? When we toss a coin, what is the possibility to coin lands a head? There is only one way in which you can get head. That is the first things that you have to find out in this probability. The second things that we need to find out the total number of possibilities. There are two possibilities, either head or tail. This number in the denominator is actually all possibilities. These two covers head or tail. You either get a head or tail. This tell you out of two possibilities, and there is one way out of this. So the probability of head is equal to 1 upon 2. It is a fraction. We can also write it in the decimal form. It's 0.5. So the numerator tells us the number of ways in which an event can occur, and denominator is all possible events. Let's take another question. What is the probability of get the tail? So there is a one way, and total possibility it's a 2. Just look at both the events. The probability of head and probability of tail both are 1 upon 2. Both the probability are same. So we can say it's equally likely probability. Head or tail. It's equally likely probability 1 upon 2. Now let us understand the formula of the probability of an event. It's a number of ways an event can occur divide total number of possible outcomes. Now let us understand the probability by throw of dice. Assume a fair dice throw. Let's think about all the possible outcomes. You may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the only possible outcomes for one throw of a dice. In numerical form, we can write as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is the first question. What is the probability of getting a 1? Remember, we need two things to find the probability. First, how many ways in which event can occur? And second, what are the total possible outcomes? There is only one way in which we can get 1. That is, if the dice lines up 1. And in all there are 6 possible outcomes. It means that the probability of getting 1 at one throws of a die is equal to 1 upon 6. Now the next question. What is the probability of getting a 3? There is only one way in which we can get 3 and there are 6 possible outcomes. So the probability of getting 3 is also 1 upon 6. Since the probability are same, we can say that is the equally likely probability. The next topic that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.